Hello, beautiful and radiant souls. Welcome to Divine Ray of Hope. I hope you are thriving and embracing the best that life has to offer with the blessings of the divine. As always, my heartfelt wishes are with you for your success, growth, and infinite abundance. I truly appreciate your presence in all my videos. It inspires and motivates me to create even more meaningful and relevant content for you. Your support is my biggest encouragement. My heartfelt thanks and deepest gratitude for your unwavering support. On the night of 14th March 2025, the blood moon rises, a night of immense power, deep transformation, and potent magic. Are you ready to harness its energy? Tonight, we will unlock the secrets of the blood moon, perform powerful rituals, and manifest our deepest desires. Stay with me until the end, and let's step into this cosmic portal together. Blood moon on 14th March 2025. Spiritual significance, myths and its role in witchcraft. On 14th March 2025, a blood moon will grace the night sky, coinciding with the full warm moon. This celestial event, a total lunar eclipse, is a time of heightened energy and deep spiritual significance. Across various traditions, the blood moon is seen as a powerful symbol of transformation, revelation, and mystical energy. In the world of witchcraft and divination, this eclipse holds immense importance for spellwork, rituals, and introspection. Let's explore the spiritual meaning, myths, and how this blood moon can be harnessed for magical practices. What is a blood moon? Why is it special? A blood moon occurs during a total lunar eclipse, when the Earth moves between the Sun and the Moon, casting a shadow over the lunar surface. Due to the way sunlight bends and scatters through the Earth's atmosphere, the Moon appears deep red or orange, creating an eerie yet mesmerizing sight. In March 2025, this blood moon aligns with the full warm moon, which marks the time when the ground begins to thaw and earthworms emerge, signaling spring's arrival. This combination of lunar phases makes the event especially potent for spiritual work, as it represents endings, beginnings, and transformation. Spiritual meaning of the blood moon. Across cultures, the blood moon is associated with awakening, change, and the unveiling of hidden truths. Unlike an ordinary full moon, which is already a time of heightened emotions and intuition, a blood moon amplifies these energies tenfold. For spiritual seekers, this eclipse represents release and letting go, a time to break free from negative cycles, fears, or toxic influences. Illumination and truth. Hidden aspects of life may come to the surface, offering clarity and a deeper understanding of one's journey. Powerful manifestation. The energies of a blood moon enhance magical workings, divination, and rituals focused on transformation. In witchcraft and esoteric traditions, the blood moon is seen as a cosmic portal, where the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds is thinnest, making it an ideal time for rituals, spellcasting, and introspection. Ancient myths and legends about the blood moon. Throughout history, the blood moon has been viewed with awe, fear, and reverence. Many civilizations believed it carried omens of change, war, or divine intervention. The apocalyptic prophecies, Christian and European folklore. In medieval Europe, a blood moon was often seen as a harbinger of doom or divine wrath. Biblical texts describe the moon turning red as a sign of the end times. This belief continued for centuries, with people fearing that lunar eclipses were warnings of disaster. Native American and indigenous. Many Native American tribes viewed a blood moon as a time when the spirits were highly active. Some believed it symbolized a great battle in the sky, while others saw it as a reminder of nature's cycles, urging people to reflect, cleanse, and honor their ancestors. The Hindu and Vedic perspective. In Hindu mythology, a lunar eclipse is linked to the story of Rahu and Ketu, two shadow entities that consume the sun and the moon. According to legend, the demon Rahu was beheaded after stealing the nectar of immortality. His severed head, Rahu, and body, Ketu, periodically swallow the moon, causing eclipses. During a blood moon, it is believed that the energy is intense, requiring spiritual cleansing and protection rituals. How the blood moon is used in witchcraft. For practitioners of witchcraft, Wicca, and esoteric arts, a blood moon is one of the most powerful lunar events. It is a time to tap into deep magical forces and perform rituals of transformation, protection, and manifestation. Shadow work and inner transformation. A blood moon brings hidden emotions, fears, and subconscious patterns to the surface. Many witches use this time for shadow work, a process of confronting and healing inner wounds. Ritual idea: light a black candle for protection. Write down fears or bad habits you wish to release. Burn the paper under the blood moon, symbolizing letting go and transformation. Spellcasting and manifestation. Energies during a total lunar eclipse are intensified, making it an ideal time for spellwork focused on change, growth, and empowerment. Types of spells to perform. Banishing spells, removing negative influences or toxic energies. Love and self-love spells, strengthening relationships or healing emotional wounds. Career and abundance spells, attracting success and prosperity. Divination and tarot readings. The blood moon enhances psychic abilities, making it a perfect time for tarot readings, scrying, or pendulum work. Answers received during this period are believed to be clearer and more prophetic. Tarot spread for the blood moon. What needs to be released? What truth is being revealed? What energy should I embrace moving forward? Protection and energy cleansing. Because the spiritual veil is thinner, some believe that negative energies or psychic attacks are more likely. Witches often perform protection rituals using crystals like black tourmaline, obsidian, and amethyst, along with salt circles and protective sigils. Rituals, spells, and spiritual practices for the blood moon on 14th March 2025. The blood moon is a rare and potent time for magic, manifestation, and spiritual transformation. With its deep red glow, this lunar event symbolizes endings and beginnings, heightened intuition, and powerful energy shifts. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned witch, this blood moon is an ideal time for rituals, spells, and sacred practices that harness its intense cosmic energy. Blood moon release ritual, letting go of the old. This ritual is designed to release negativity, past traumas, toxic relationships, or self-doubt. Since eclipses bring revelations and closure, this is the perfect time to clear emotional and energetic blockages. What you'll need: a black candle for banishing, a white candle for clarity and new beginnings, a piece of paper and pen, a fireproof ball, herbs like sage, rosemary, or bay leaves for cleansing. How to perform: set your sacred space, light the black candle to absorb negativity and the white candle to invite clarity. Write it down on the paper. Write everything you wish to release: bad habits, fears, limiting beliefs, toxic patterns. Burn and banish. Safely burn the paper in a fireproof ball, visualizing the energy dissolving and the blood moon absorbing your burdens. Affirmation: say, by the power of the blood moon's light, I release what no longer serves me. So mote it be. Cleanse and close. Use sage or rosemary to cleanse your space, feeling the weight lift off your spirit. 2. Blood moon tarot and divination ritual. Since the veil between realms is thinner, this is an excellent time to seek divine messages, spirit guidance, and insight into your future. What you'll need: a tarot or oracle deck, a purple or dark blue cloth to amplify intuition, a moonstone or amethyst crystal, a journal. How to perform: set the mood, sit under the blood moon or near a window with candles or soft lighting. Hold your deck and set an intention. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and say, "Under the blood moon's glow, reveal what I need to know." Shuffle and pull 3 cards. Card 1, what must I release? Card 2, what truth is being revealed? Card 3, what new path is opening? Write your insights, record your thoughts in a journal to reflect on your journey. Bonus, use a pendulum or scrying mirror for deeper spiritual messages. 3. Blood Moon Power Spell, Manifestation and Strength. The blood moon's energy is transformative, making it an ideal time to manifest courage, success, and personal power. What you'll need: a red candle for strength and passion, a gold candle for abundance and success, a small mirror to reflect inner power, a citron or carnelian stone, a glass of moon water. Leave a ball of water under the moon overnight. How to perform: light the candles, place the mirror in front of you, and set the red and gold candles on either side. Hold the crystal, focus on what you wish to manifest: confidence, success, love, protection. Chant: by the blood moon's fire and golden light, I call my power, bold and bright. Strength and courage now arise. Success and wisdom fill my skies. Look in the mirror, visualize your most confident and powerful self, knowing that you are stepping into your true potential. Drink the moon water, this seals the magic, infusing you with cosmic energy. Blood Moon Love and Self-Love Spell. The blood moon's fiery energy is perfect for enhancing self-love, passion, and emotional healing. What you'll need: a pink or red candle for love, a rose quartz crystal, rose petals or dried lavender, a small mirror, a love affirmation or written self-love letter. How to perform: create a sacred space, light the pink-red candle, and sprinkle rose petals around. Hold the rose quartz, place it over your heart chakra, and breathe deeply. Read your affirmation or love letter. Speak kind, loving words to yourself. I am worthy of love. I honor my heart. I attract deep and healthy love into my life. Gaze in the mirror, smile at yourself, embracing self-acceptance and love. Close the ritual, carry the rose quartz with you as a reminder of your inner beauty and strength. Bonus, if seeking romantic love, visualize your ideal partner and write a love manifestation letter under the blood moon. Protection and energy shielding ritual. Because the blood moon intensifies emotions and spiritual energy, some may feel vulnerable or energetically drained. This protection ritual will help shield you from negativity. What you'll need: a black candle for protection, a ball of salt, purification, a protective crystal, black tourmaline, obsidian, or amethyst, a sigil or symbol of protection. You can draw one. How to perform: light the black candle, visualize a protective shield surrounding you. Hold the crystal, say, under the blood moon's might, I stand strong and bright. No harm shall enter, no darkness shall stay. I am protected in every way. Draw a protective sigil, use the salt to trace a protective symbol around your space or on a piece of paper to carry with you. Carry the crystal, keep it with you for ongoing protection. Embrace the blood moon's power. The blood moon of 14th March 2025 is a rare and magical event, offering a powerful opportunity for release, renewal, and transformation. Whether you choose to manifest goals, cleanse negative energy, or seek spiritual guidance, this cosmic event will amplify your intentions. Make the most of this blood moon by practicing rituals for transformation and growth, using tarot or divination for insight, performing spellwork for power, love, and abundance, cleansing and protecting your energy. May the blood moon's magic guide you towards your highest path. The blood moon's energy is now within you. You have released the old, embraced transformation, and set your intentions for a powerful new chapter. Trust in the universe and let the magic unfold. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more magical content, and comment below what you are manifesting under this blood moon. Your energy is powerful, and together, we create magic. Until next time, under the light of the moon, blessed be.